Are you having trouble with certain apps not working when you're on mobile data on your iPhone? We know how frustrating that can be. The issue might come from different sources, such as app settings, network configurations, or restrictions on your cellular data. But no worries, this guide will walk you through some easy steps to fix it. Let's dive in and get that sorted out. Solution 1. Check cellular data settings for specific apps. First, let's make sure the apps in question have permission to use cellular data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Scroll down and look for the list of apps. Ensure that cellular data is turned on for the apps that are having trouble. If the apps are already toggled on, then turn it off and then back on. Now restart your iPhone to see if that fixed the issue. Solution 2. Check for app updates. Sometimes outdated apps can cause problems. Here's what you should do. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to see if any updates are available. Update any apps that are experiencing issues. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Let's make sure no restrictions are blocking the apps from using mobile data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps. Make sure to allow all apps here. After that, go back to turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Solution 4. Offload affected apps. Offloading an app can help free up some space and potentially solve the problem. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find the app that's not working and tap on it. Tap Offload App. Then confirm your choice. After offloading, tap Reinstall App to download it again. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If the issue is due to network misconfigurations, resetting your network settings might help. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Just a heads up, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of apps not working on mobile data on your iPhone. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.